You ready? Oh! Turn this way.
Whee!
Straight ahead.
That's not way. You ring your bell?
Whee! You got a bell?
And your helmet?
Lolly's taking a video. Your first bicycle ride
Show her your helmet.
with Daddy.
You show Lolly your helmet. You done?
You got off by yourself. You want a wrench so you can drop that seat down?
Yeah, that little crescent wrench probably be good enough.
Here, let Mommy go get a rag.
Yeah? Let me get you a socket.
Nice.
Working.
I think Mommy's cleaning it out, baby. It's going to be wet right now. Just wait a minute.
That wrench gets funky.
I like your helmet. Has it got princesses on it?
Big as a head is.
Oh, it's beautiful. You want to take it off?
You got just a little tip.
Hey!
Hey, I see you.
What are you showing? You want that off? Okay, Lolly, get it off.